Long, long ago, Kamata, the isiXhosa traditional god, was made up of many elements. Bayete, bayete, oh bayete, Kamata. 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 Yo, yelele, 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 oh yelele, yelele, yo. Yelele, yelele, oh yelele, yelele. Bayete, bayete, oh bayete, Kamata. Bayete, bayete, oh bayete, Kamata. I am hot flame together. Oh, I am fire. Imli lo. Oh, ding 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 ding. I am the creator of everything. I am Earth, Lava. I am Imoya, wind, soft, smooth, but tempted. I can be rough. I am rain, Mula. I bring life to this earth. Ding 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 ding. Kamata. The gods created the earth and everything in it. All the animals lived together in peace and harmony. As the gods were watching over their creation, they realized that something was missing. Oh my gosh! What is going on over here? All these animals look so beautiful. Beautiful from the front. But no. From the behind, it just surely won't do. What are we going to do about this? Yes, you're right. They all look alike from behind. I know. We shall give them tails. Yes, tails. All the animals shall be getting tails. But no, we cannot just give them tails. All these animals have to showcase a talent so that they can receive their tails. You're right, Rainy. But who shall we call to send a message to the other animals? I know, I got it. Oh yeah, I am so clever. We can send the hair in Vundla. Yes! Yes, that is a brilliant idea. Well done, Fire. We shall call Mvundla the hare. The gods called the hare Mvundla to be their messenger. Mvundla! Mvundla! I think the gods are calling me. Ewe, Kamata! Hego, there's no Kamata here. I think I've lost it. Di bambini nyani. What? Can you hear that? Nandia Eva. Ewe, Kamata, I'll be on my way to Itamangulu, the land of the gods, as summoned. Yeah. Issued in Vundla with a very special gift, a tail, Imisila. Mvundla was so happy and excited. He wrote himself a song on his way back home so he could show it off in front of the other animals. yeah, okay. Yes. Attention, all you creatures and beasts, right here is a place to be. Oh, I thought I told your animals, y'all better not mess with me. Oh, shake your tail, shake your tail, shake your tail. I'll show you what I'm working with. Shake your tail, shake the tail, shake the tail. I'll show you what I'm working with. Brace yourselves. The other animals were so surprised at Mvundla's behind. They started asking questions. Yo. Mvundla, what is that on your bum? Yeah, what is that? Where did you get it? It's a tail. Go see, la. The answer to that will soon follow. I've been sent by the gods, to tell you that in 7 days' time, you must all go there. Where Kulu, you'll receive your tails. In 7 days' time, you must all go there. Where Kulu, you'll receive your tails. But don't forget, in order for you to receive your tails, you need to showcase your talent to the gods and me. So there's no time to waste. You gotta practice. Lion got all the animals together in preparation for the 7th day to arrive. All the animals came together to practice, except for Dassie. Finally alone at last. Did you see that? Did you see those fools? Practice. Practice for what? I don't need any practice. I'm too cool for that. Did you see that? Those silly animals. Finally, the 7th day arrived. Lion called all the animals to meet. Now that we are ready, we can embark on our journey from Nzamfudo to Itabakulu. Yes. Guys, can't you do me a favor, man? Can't you give me a tail? I'm not feeling too well. You know, I've got the flu. You know. Don't you worry, Dassie, don't you worry. You go and rest. We will bring you a tail. See Hamas and Laleni, see a Pumaimi, see La, see Hamas and Laleni, see a Pumaimi, see La, see Hamas and Laleni, see a Pumaimi, see La, See how my season learning. See a woman in me. Did you see them? They believed me. Those fools. They're going all that way. Me, I'm clever. I'm clever. I'm just going to rest. I'm going to have my me time. Dassie's time. Oh, Dassie's time. That's a me time. I'm so clever. I'm so clever. The animals arrived at the land of the gods, and Kamata issued them each a tale. Each tale was gifted to each specific animal as it represented their uniqueness. Rah, 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 rah. Now that we have got our tales, we can now embark back home from Itamakura to Mzambu. Ha! Let's go, let's go. But what about Dassie's tale? Dassie asked us to bring him a tale. Yes, Mbuku, you're right. Let me go ask the gods. Whoa. Hang on just a moment. Why should we burden ourselves with Dassie's tale? If Dassie wanted a tale, he should have come here himself. But couldn't you see that Dassie was, sick? Could you not see that Dassie was just faking it? Dassie is just lazy. I am not going to burden myself with Dassie's tale, and all of you would be silly to do so. This is very true. This is very disappointing. Tell that Dassie to come to Intamangulu immediately. Do we have this clear? Yes, Martha, yes, I shall tell him the message. Akupe, let's go. Msilim wante mune, abangina bazesbona. Msilim wante mune, abangina bazesbona. Tell for each one. You don't have, that's your problem. Tell for each one. Abangina bazesbona. Msilim wante mune, 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 abangina bazesbona. I shall be on my way. Let me go. Hey, Dassie. Are you not sick anymore? You see, guys, he was never too sick to begin with. He was just lying. You don't have to rub it in. I should have known that the gods would see right through me. Okay, so let me just go. Hey. Oh my goodness. troubles we have with you. Dassie.
Dassie, you have lied to us. You are lazy. There are lessons here to be learnt. Now you have learnt your lesson, but for the rest of your life and for the rest of your days, you will walk this earth without a tail.
So it was. I was left without a tail.
Dassie was left without a tail. Fatuka tyd tot dan met vandag. Imbira yasheka inganam sila kwabanjalo nanko gugusanjalo nje. Dassie was left without a tail. Pela Pela Kanzomi. The